Good morning. Have you ever wondered how you can keep your header navigation stick to the top as you scroll? Now, the cool thing is a sticky header enhances the user experience by ensuring that key links, menus, and for example, branding are always within reach. Let me show you how to set it up. But firstly, let me show you the examples I created. First up is a sticky header. And the second example is a sticky banner advertising a trade expo coming up. So let's look at the first example, creating a sticky header in the site editor using a block theme. So let's make our way to Appearance and click on Editor. And then we can open up our home page on the right, as well as the list view top left, so we can see all our nested blocks. We can select our header. And to make our header sticky, we first need to add our header within a group block or nested within a group block. To do that, click on the three vertical dots and then select Group. Once added to a group, you will notice that the header becomes a bit more narrow. And the reason that is happening is because when you group something in the site editor, it will automatically adjust to the width of the theme. And to quickly change that, open your sidebar settings, top right, and then uncheck or deselect the option that says Inner Blocks Use Content Width. And when you uncheck it, it will appear as normal. And then right below that, when we open the drop-down position, we can click on Default and select Sticky to make the group stick to the top. Now we can test it out right within the editor. When we scroll down, we will see it's sticky, but it's transparent. So we first need to go and update the background color of the group block. So let's go ahead and open the styles of the group block and then change the background color to the same background color as the site. Then we can test it out in the editor again. And the final step I want to take is to remove some padding. So I'll go ahead and remove some space or padding around the content of the block. Then we can hit Save and preview our sticky header on the front end. Now, you can use the same method if you want to make a marketing or, for example, a sales banner sticky, or if there's really important information you want to share with visitors on your site. Let me show you how. Let's make our way to the editor again, open our home page on the right, as well as the list view. Now, we will notice our header is in place, but we want to add a banner. So to do that, we'll click on the three vertical dots and then select Add Before. And now, of course, you can add any banner design of your choice. I'm going to paste the banner that I've created to advertise a trade expo. When we look at the list view, you will notice I've built this banner using a row block within a row block. And when we drill a bit deeper and click on the arrow of the nested row block, we'll see a paragraph block on the left and a buttons block on the right. And seeing that the row block is a variation of the group block, it also has the sticky option. So once again, we can make our way to Position, select Sticky, test it out in the editor, hit Save, and preview it on the front end. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is something you can now put in practice. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.